Also, if this is overkill, my energy, I just did some tuning to my full focus. I'll go over that with you right now. So, I was having problems with gripping on the road, and so I put it, first of all, I put it in 50-50, the drive bias ratio, and then I went to tuning and to the wheels. So the front camber and rear camber is going to be how your tires are angled. So for instance, like if I put rear camber, see how the back wheels are sticking out, and then you put it and it goes like that. So for the rear camber, I like to put it right at 2, so a little curved because of the curvature of the road. And my front camber I put at 1 degree, so just a little bit less than my back. And the toe is going to be your tires pointing inwards or outwards. So for the front, I have them pointing outwards just a tiny little bit, pretty much straight, and the rear toe is pointing inwards. So you can look at that, see. Oh wait, my rear toe is pointing outwards. And my front is pointing inwards. To give me a little more control on the road. And the wheel size, you can increase that and raise your ride up a little bit. So I like that a little bit, because then you can, if you're driving cockpit mode, you can see more. So let's get into this restart here.
3, 2, 1, go. Over crest, 100. 5 right, 100. 6 right, 60. 5 left, into 4 right, 200. 5 right, 60. 5 left, 80. 5 left, 40. 5 right. 6 right, off the dirt. 3 left, 40. 6 right. 2 left, 60. Over crest, 170. Long, 3 left, 100. Hairpin right, don't cut, 60. 2 left, 40.
Slow into the turn, and then hit the brake, and down.
Over crest, 60, 6 left. Onto gravel, 2 left, into 1 right. 2 right. 3 left, 100. 2 left. 5 right. On the dirt, 60. 5 right. 2 left, 100. 1 right. 1 1 left, don't cut.
Just so that
5 right.
I can make that.
Left, 40, onto gravel, 6 right, 130. 5 left, and 4 right, 40, 6 left, 80, over finish. Left, 80, over finish.